Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve Mathematics Standard 8 chapter Quadrilateral Constructions and Types. Today we are going to solve practice set 8.2. Before starting this, I want to request all my viewers, those are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share. So practice set 8.2. First question is, draw a rectangle ABCD such that length of AB is equal to 6.0 centimeter and length of BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So let us solve this. Now here what is given? Draw a rectangle, that is AB, length of AB is 6 centimeter. So first we will draw 6 centimeter. Now I am not going to draw any rough diagram, directly we are doing. So from here to here. Okay, I hope it is visible. 6 centimeter. Okay, this is our 6 centimeter. What is given? That is AB. Okay, now what is given? Rectangle. Draw a rectangle ABCD such that AB is equal to 6.0 centimeter and BC is 4.5 centimeter. So rectangle, as you know, rectangles, each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. So from this side we'll take 90 degree angle here. Okay, from this side, from B point, we'll take 90 degree angle. Okay, now we'll draw this, we'll join this. Okay, here also. It is correct. So this is our 90 degree angle, as triangle have always 90 degree. Now what is given? BC, length of BC is given 4.5 centimeter. So here 4.5 centimeter. So I will draw an arc from compass. Okay, so as you know, it is rectangle and rectangle have equal opposite sides. So here also I am going to draw 4.5 centimeter. Then now this both point we are going to join. Okay, this is D and this is C. Okay, now this one is 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides of rectangle is congruent. Okay, this also 6 centimeter. Okay, now rectangle ABCD, opposite sides of all angles are 90 degree. These all are 90 degree and it is congruent. Now we are going to do second sum. Now second sum is given, draw a square WXYZ with side 5.2 centimeter. Okay, here we have to draw square of WXYZ, name given, with side 5.2 centimeter. Now we are going to draw what is given. Sides are given 5.2 centimeter. So we'll take 5.2 centimeter with the help of scale. Okay, this is our 5.2 centimeter. So this is our 5.2 centimeter. Now this is our W and this is our X. What is given? Draw a square, they have said. So first we'll take protractor to mark 90-degree angle. Okay, now we are going to join this. Okay, now what is given? 5.2 centimeter of square, each square. Now sides have 5.2 centimeter given sides. So with the help of compass we are going to draw 5.2 centimeter arc. Okay, now here we have to join this 2 points. I hope it is visible. So I am joining these 2 points. Okay, so square have 5.2 centimeter. Okay, this is 5.2 centimeter and with each angle of 90 degree. Okay, all sides are congruent. Okay, I hope you understood question number 2. Now what is that? WX, this point is Y and this point is Z. So we have draw square of WXYZ with 5.2 centimeter. Now we are going to solve next sum. Now next question is given. Draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 centimeter and measure angle K is 75 degree. Now question number 3 is we have to draw the rhombus with 4 centimeter sides. So I am doing here. This is our 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. That is K and L. KL is 4 centimeter and we have to such that its side is 4 centimeter and measure angle K is 75 degree. So we will use this protractor. Okay. Now here 75 comes between 70 and 80. So it's 75. We got this. Now we have to join this. Okay. Now here as you can see, measure angle K is 75 degree. Okay, measure angle K 75 degree plus measure angle L. By Pythagoras theorem we will get L as 105. So I am writing here, because measure angle K plus measure angle L is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and all sides of rhombus are congruent. So here I am taking 105. Come here. Okay, I am going to join this point. this is 105 degree. Okay, now sides are given 4 centimeter. So with the help of compass we are going to take 4 centimeter from both sides. Now we are joining this. Now we have joined this 2 points. Okay, these 2 points are K, L, M, N. Okay, now here we have to show that all sides of rhombus is congruent, edges and angles are supplementary. Therefore, measure angle K plus measure angle L equal to 180 degree. Now measure angle K we got 70, already given 75, plus measure angle L is not given, equal to 180 degree. Now here therefore measure angle L is equal to 180 minus 75. So we got measure angle L as a 105. Okay, I hope you understood. This is because of supplementary angle. Okay, measure angle K plus measure angle L is equal to 180 degree. I hope you understood this question number 3. Now we are going to move next question, that is question number 4. Here question number 4 is given. If the diagonal of a rectangle is 26 centimeter and one side is 24 centimeter, find the other sides. Okay, we have to find the rectangle, diagonal of rectangle. Now here what is given? The diagonal of a rectangle is given. So first we will take if 26 centimeter and one side is 24, find the other side. So we'll draw a diagram. We'll assume that it is 24. Okay, this is 24. Just assume, because paper is very short, I am not going to take that much big. Okay, this is, for example, this is DC. Rectangle sets means all side will be, all angle sides are 90 degree. Okay, use scale. So 24 centimeter. Okay, now here A, B, C and D. Okay, now here a diagonal of a rectangle is 26 centimeters. Diagonal means this AC. Okay, this AC is what? 26 centimeter. I hope you understood. So these are 90 degree angles. So let us assume, quadrilateral ABCD. Now question number 4 is what? If diagonal of a rectangle is 26 centimeter and one side is 24 centimeter, find the other side. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Now here diagonal of rectangle, we have to draw what sides are given. 24 is given, so I'm taking here as 5 centimeter. Okay, this is our 24 cent. I have drawn a rectangle with name given AB C and D. Okay, here given one side is 24 centimeter. Okay, one side is 24 centimeter. Find the other side given. So here diagonal we have to draw AD. Okay, this is our 26 centimeter diagonal, and side, one side, that is 24 centimeter. Okay, and as you know that rectangle have 90 degree angles. Okay, from all side. So here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the other sides. So I am writing here the solution. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, now here length AC is equal to 24 centimeter and length AD is equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to use Pythagoras theorem in A, C and D. So I am taking triangle ACD of angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now here this is what AD. Okay, so AD will come this side. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. This is our Pythagoras theorem. Now AD is given 26 square, so I am writing here 26 square equal to AC we are having 24 square plus CD square. Now CD will come this side. CD square is equal to 26 square. This will move to this side, means it will become minus 24 square. Now CD square is equal to 676. It's a square of 26 minus 576. It is a square of 24. Then here CD square is equal to 100. Okay, taking out square we'll get CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, CD is equal to 10 centimeter. So here find the other side. They said no, it is 10 centimeter. We got CD as a 10 centimeter. I hope you understood. I have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4 of practice set 8.2 of class 8, and the remaining I am going to solve in other video. So please practice it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.